Let's get it. Do you know what that thing could do?
Really, nigga?
Actually, that would be a giant. Now, ogres, they're much worse. They'll make a suit from your freshly peeled skin. No. They'll shave your liver, squeeze the jelly from your ass. Actually, it's quite good on ass. Yeah, boy. Right. This is the part where you
Die!
Please don't turn me in. I'll never be stuck again. I can pin other.
Shut up, bitch!
Next, what have we got?
Well, I've got a talking...
Idiot.
Right.
Oh, go ahead, little fella.
Well...
Oh, he's a little nervous. He's quite about. You boneheaded dog.
Chicken dragon! Wait a minute! Something ain't right!
Are you talking... Me?
Yes, I was talking to you. Can I just tell you that you was really great back then? And those gods... You and me fighting. Think we'll scare anybody else? You definitely need some or something, because your breath... There's no one here beside me. My
Mais voilà, mais c'était sûr en fait! C'était sûr!
Listen, little donkey. Take a look at me. What am I?
You're ugly. You are disgusting. I'm going to kill you. Give me $200.
No!
The kind of, I don't care what nobody thinks of me thing. I like that. I respect that, Shrek. You all right.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Damn. Who'd want to live?